Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share one of the lessons which I learned from my own mistake recently, and on top of it I'm going to redraw the drawing where I did the mistake. And friends, in this video I'm going to share what is the mistake and why I did it and what happened. So without getting into all those things straight away, let's jump into the mistake itself. The mistake is doing the things just for sake of doing it rather than doing it for my love or my passion. So friends, this started from the beginning itself. When I started this YouTube channel 1.5 years ago, I was like posting day-to-day videos for first 50 days, and after that I promised you all like I'll be posting 3 videos per week, and since then I'm posting 3 videos per week as my word. But still, there are some times when I posted the video just for sake of posting it rather than doing the art for my love or my passion. So that is one of the biggest mistake a creator could do, and I'm doing it for a long time until this happened. So friends, now you know the mistake and what happened and where it ended up with. Friends, in mid of May I have announced a giveaway for crossing 2000 subscribers, and in that giveaway I have drawn 10 people in a single video for free, and that is one of the things which I promised when I'm crossing 1000 subscribers, and I did it. Actually I did it, and that is 100% honest thing, and I never made my friend or my best buddies as the winners or giveaways, because I never wanted to cheat my YouTube family, and I'm doing it 100% honestly. And a lot of times I have shown the process of selecting the winners, and it is almost like a transparent one. So friends, you are watching a drawing of a girl, right? She is like my sister, or she is my friend who I met on online, and she is the person who gifted me the color pencils, and she is one of my best friend actually. But I never made her winner because I don't want to cheat my YouTube family, as I said. At the same time, luckily she won in the last giveaway, and I have drawn her in that giveaway itself. But I made a mistake because of my tiredness and other things like procrastination and stuff. So I assigned 3 days for completing 10 portraits, and that is a very limited time for doing it in a realistic way. But I have announced it, and because of the date, and I just want to post the video on that date, so I rushed the whole process. Because of that, all those drawings lacks in the details a bit, but I made all other 9 drawings in a very good way, like as same as the picture, but I made her lips a little bit bulgier than it actually. And because of that, when I published the video, her friends started bullying her, and she was like, all of the drawings are looking nice other than mine. And I was like, I have done the biggest mistake and I want to rectify it. But she never wanted me to draw again her, and actually she gave a couple more commissions after that. Still, she don't want me to draw her again. I can do it privately, I don't want to do it publicly as I'm doing right now. But still, I'm making this video because no one should do this in their life or in their creative thing or anything. It could be a household chore. You could not be rushing through it. You should take the time and do it. That's when it will be great. So that's it for this video, my friends, and I hope you like this drawing and like this video, and I hope you got something new. And if you do so, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and support my work. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.